Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I have something very special for you. We are going to be working on a new project. This is our new to us 1996 Bronco XLT. And I found it on Facebook Market and decided one day at lunch to go take a look at it. I looked at a few other Broncos for sale in the area, and this was one of the cleaner ones that I was looking at for the price that we were able to get it. So I went down to Cincinnati and I met with the owner, Luke, and we were having a conversation. And Luke has had this Bronco for a while. It was a daily driver until some of the suspension on it broke. And he had some other projects that he was working on. Since this was a project of his, he decided to go ahead and put it up for sale. So we have a friend, Corey McIntosh with McIntosh Motorsports. I sent him some information about the Bronco, asked him if he wanted to be a part of the project. And here we are. We purchased it. And as you can see, she has some rust on the fenders, but for most of it, it's pretty straight. It's got some rust on the frame that we're going to have to take care of. We're planning on putting a Fiberworks body kit on it to get rid of this rusty areas in the quarter panels and fenders. I will also be looking for a new rear tailgate because the rust down there on the bottom has eaten it. But the interior in this Bronco is very clean. Another reason why I liked it. So I decided to go ahead and purchase it. And here's just some more views of, the fenders that we're going to have to cut out and cut around. But it did start right up, no smoking, ran pretty good. It's got your traditional little oil leaks, so we're going to have to figure that out and possibly refresh the motor. But we're excited to have this project. Our plans are to put a solo suspension on it, make it more of that Baja style truck. So stay tuned. Keep watching our channel for updates. Again, like and subscribe. Your guys' views matters to us, and when you comment, it helps keep our channel alive amongst all the great YouTube influencers. So like and subscribe. Let us know what you think of this, and we'll see you on the next one.